Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your status on Discord. So let's go to the bottom left corner over here and click on your name. Now over here you can set your custom status. So let's click over here. You can click on this emoji in order to select anything that you want. I'm gonna use this smiley emoji over here. And then you can also type a message. Over here below that you can select after what time it should be removed. So by default it is today. However, you can unfold the list and you have a choice between today, 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, as well as don't clear. So it means that it will stay for as long as you don't manually remove it. And below that you can also set your online status, where you can set yourself to online, idle, do not disturb, and invisible. And after that, press save. And as you can see, on the members list of my server over here, it is seen by everyone, as well as over here in the bottom left corner. You can also simply click on your name and go over here where you have online or any other status, and here you can see your online statuses, which you can choose as well. So for instance, over here I can switch to do not disturb, and this is how I can switch my online status. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.